I think I might take a leaf out of my boss's book and go have a short break now. And I will welcome the Director of Music back to the stage, Major Esther Hayes.
Thank you very much. How do you think the new bandmaster did? Oh, very well, yeah. Do a clap off, couldn't we? 5 gold stars, do we think? Oh, well done. Thank you very much, bandmaster. So who was able to attend the Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo this year? Oh, nobody? Oh, we have a few, yeah. Managed to catch up on TV? Do you recognise some faces? No? Under the cover of a wee bonnet. So we had the honour of partaking this year, which was absolutely fantastic. If you haven't seen it, I would advise that you go on there. Perhaps onto YouTube. If you haven't got YouTube, get some type of child to get you onto YouTube. It's usually the best way, and it is a fantastic show. Very proud, it's the 75th anniversary. We're also proud to take part with other nations, and one nation for us that stuck out was Ukraine. It was the orchestra of the naval forces that performed, and the Edinburgh Tattoo had wanted them to perform for many years, but obviously things aren't too good at home, if we put it that way, so they weren't able to commit, but they were able to commit this year. And as an example of their resilience, the day after they got to Redford Barracks in Edinburgh for rehearsals, their base in Odessa had been bombed. So really respect them for carrying on and going on with music, because we all know that music is soft power, one international language that brings everybody together. So really, as a tribute to them, and especially to our musical brothers and sisters in the Ukrainian forces, we'd like to play this tune, which is a prayer for Ukraine.